Alright guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Chase points and book a hotel with Hyatt. So first off, you need to go to chase.com and log in to your account. So I'm going to go log in, and before you actually book a hotel with Hyatt, you need to create your own Hyatt account. So I'm just going to sign out. So what you need to do is go to Hyatt.com. So this is their website, and over here on the upper right is you need to click join. So create an account. Then once you're done, you're gonna obtain your username or membership. So once you create your account, you are going to have your membership number. So you gotta go and save that for later. So anyhow, going back to Chase. So once you're logged in, you are going to click off one of your cards, and over here I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So the way you transfer points is over here. You see this redeem button here, so you gotta click it. So I have 59,000 points, so I'm gonna select my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and this is my other Chase cards, and you can always combine all of these points into one of these cards. But anyhow, just going back, so I'm gonna select this because this is the card that I have most of my points. And so to give you guys an idea, so we're gonna go to Bali, and I'm looking to book a hotel over there by Ubud. So we are going to stay from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for 5 days. So going back, what you need to do is, you see this button right here, you click on it, and it's gonna show all of this options. And what you need to do is click on this, transfer to travel partners. So if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you're gonna have the option to transfer to Chase's transfer partners. And again, if you want to have this ability, you need to have 3 cards, and those 3 cards are the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and the Chase Inc. Business Preferred card. Alright, so going back, you need to click on this, and once you click on it, it's going to show Chase's transfer partners, and we're going to look for Hyatt Hotel. So right here, World of Hyatt, then just click on this, transfer points. Then remember that you need to create your own account with Hyatt. So once you create an account, and over here, so I'm gonna censor this. So this area, you will see your member ID. So you need to copy it, then go back here, paste it, and paste it again. So what you need to do is put your membership ID here and over here as well. But since I already did this a few weeks ago, but since I've already done this, I will select my name here, select recipient, then it'll automatically auto-populate the this boxes. So I'm gonna hit continue. So now you need to figure out how much points you need to transfer to your World of Hyatt account. So with this, you need to figure out first where you want to stay. So for us, we want to check out Ubud in Indonesia. So if hold on a second, let me just show you this. So in Indonesia, there's a lot of places that you can visit, but we are going to specifically visit Ubud. But I just want to show you how it looks like if you search on World of Hyatt, with Indonesia. So this is the country, and you can see a lot of Hyatt hotels. So you can see, Bali, there's Jakarta, there's Seminyak. So what we're gonna focus on is Ubud. So basically what I'm saying is, do your research first, where do you want to go, and start looking over here. So just put it on the search box. So we want to go to Ubud, Indonesia, and put in your dates. We want to stay September 22nd up until, let's see, so we're gonna go to Manila on the 26th. So up until 26, so 22 to 26. Over here, obviously we need 1 room, and just put how many adults per room. So it's just me and my wife, which is Pao. So I'm just gonna select, 2. Then always click on this box right here, use points. Since we're gonna use points for this, you don't wanna pay cash. We wanna be smart. So we're gonna look for hotels that we can book with points. And over here you have options. So this island is Bali right here. So you have plenty of options here. So what we're going to book is this. It's called Alila Ubud, and it's $150 per night, and it's only 8,000 points. And if you keep scrolling down, there are some expensive properties here. So for example, this one, it's 979 per night, but it's 30,000 points. So people are asking me, how do you get the most value out of your points? So one way to find that out is I follow this blog called The Points Guy, and let me show you guys. The Points Guy, Hyatt points value. What are the points in miles worth? So I'm gonna scroll down, and I want to go to Hyatt. So this is a good table to see how much your points cost, for maximum value. So we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna look up for Hyatt. So we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna look for Hyatt. Okay, hold on. So anyhow, so this is, just check this table right here, but we wanna go look for, there you go. It says here that the Points Guy, they value World of Hyatt points at 1.7 cents per point. So for you to maximize your Hyatt points, you need to have at least 1.7 cents per point. If you go lower than this, then you're not maximizing it. So basically, how do you, what's the formula for that? So let me give you guys an example. So you need to figure out how much value you're getting per point if you book this. So the formula for that is, you need to get your calculator. So how do you figure out how much value you're getting per point? So let's take this as an example. So Viceroy Bali costs $979, and it'll cost you 30,000 points. So I created a video and I explained the formula to get how much you're getting for your points. But for this one, let me show you guys a quick example. So the formula of this is the price of the hotel divided by the points per night. So 979 divided by 30,000, 1, 2, 3, equals, so you're gonna move this over here, so it's 3.2 cents per point. So if you check out the Points Guy's article, you need to have at least 1.7 for you to get the most out of your Hyatt points. So right here is 1.7, and if you go back to the calculator, we're getting 3.2, so that's almost twice as much. So based from this one, we are definitely getting the most the value out of our points. So I would highly recommend booking this. But what I'm looking for is, I want to stretch my points and I want to book this. And let's see, so what's the valuation for here? So it is 150 divided by 8,000. So I'm getting, so you need to move the decimal point here, so 1.8. So it's way over 1.7, so I'm basically getting a good deal. So this year, which is 2022, I have Globalist Elite status with Hyatt. So that's the highest status with the Hyatt program. So basically, whenever I check into these hotels, there's 90% or almost 95% chance of me getting upgraded for their suites. And also, if you're a Globalist, you can get free breakfast and late checkout and all that. So if you are curious on how elite status work, just Google it, type in elite status with different programs like Hyatt, Marriott, IHG, or Hilton. So then you guys will compare the benefits of each other. So anyhow, so we want to book this, or I want to book this. So I'm staying from 22 up until 26. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 nights. So I need 8,000 times 4 is 32,000. So 8,000 times 4 is 32,000. So what I need to do is go back here, and I need to transfer 32,000 to my Hyatt account. And I have enough points to book, you know, to transfer 32,000 since I have 59,000 points. So put in the number here, hit continue. Then it's gonna ask you to confirm, you know, the point transfer to World of Hyatt. And once everything is good, just double check everything and hit confirm and submit. All right, and it'll take you to this window. It says, "Thank you, we've received your point transfer request and it is in progress." So it's instantaneous. So going back, so here, currently I only have 2,622 points. So I just need to refresh this and hopefully the points will post to my account. So let me see if I'm correct. Perfect. So see, so I just points transfer to my account. So I have enough points now. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to book this. So see, like right here it says 8,000 points. Then if you wanna do points in cash, you know, you can do this option, but you know, do this if you don't have enough points or if you wanna save the, you know, some points in the future. But for this one I have enough points and I will use this feature, or so I will just use this option, which is book everything, which is book standard room pre-night from, you know, 8,000 points. And just click this, click select. Then so just review everything, and you know, make sure you got the correct date. So September 22 up until 25. So that's that. It's 8,000 points per night. Then, you know, if you don't have any payment information, just put here, you know, your payment information, add new card, click this. Then just once you just double check everything, once everything is good, just click on this, book my stay, and it should take you to the last window, which is, there you go. So got the confirmation. So that is it for this video, and if you guys have any questions, I'm always here for you guys, so don't hesitate to reach out. Bye bye.